Greetings and salutations. In this video, I want to show you what 1 month's supply of Nutrisystems looks like. So you may have seen this coupon floating around there. You might have seen it online. Basically, you can get a whole month for $2.29, and this starts January 2025, probably beyond. You can get it directly here from this this address here. But as you can see here, this is what you get for $2.29. But be prepared that you're going to be paying for shipping, which is $11, and with fees and taxes and everything, it'll end up being about $240 for the month. All right, and my mom is getting this for herself. She lost 60 pounds last time. Very proud of her, and she went off of it for a couple of years, and she decided that she's going to go back on it because she loved it so much. And I want to go ahead and show you what to do. Now we are wearing a glove, because the bottom compartment has dry ice in it, and it can burn your hands. So just beware. And when we ordered it, how long did it take? Maybe like a week to get here? Not even that, right?
About 6 days.
6 days. It was already here, and we live in a rural area. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. This basically shows. You could pause. This basically shows what is in both two boxes. All right, and let's go ahead and see what we got. All righty, let's go ahead and start taking some stuff out. So you can see here, we got 4 pizzas here. And what do you think about those? You've had those before. What do you think of them?
Oh, they're delicious.
Pizza. We got popcorn, right? Mm-hmm. What do you think about this popcorn?
Good. Cheese puffs.
All cheese puffs, okay.
Chewy Trail mix bars.
What do you think about those?
That's probably breakfast.
All right. That looks like ramen noodles.
Yeah, that's probably lunch.
There's 2 of those. It gives you a starter guide. And what's the starter guide have on it, Mom?
That shows me what to do.
Okay.
So that's my instructions.
Very cool.
This right here is chocolate fudge. It's a Pro-Sync shake mix, Nutrisystem shake mix, and it's like a good snack.
Okay.
Help fill you up.
All right. We have these peanut butter chocolate bars. And if you follow this to the letter, you will lose weight, because my mom did. Now, keep in mind, when I say a month's supply, it's about
5 days.
5 days a week. So we're looking at about approximately 20 days worth. And the other 2 days on the weekend, you'd have to eat yourself. Just
reasonable.
Eat reasonable. All right, bean. Cereal. More bars. Man. You're going to be chowing down. And so how awesome would that be, just to eat and lose weight?
It's going to be at the bottom.
All right. Now, this is the dry ice I'm talking about. So you want to be very careful with that. Okay. And so these are all your frozen desserts, and is there meals here as well?
I'm sure there is. There's
Yeah.
Ice cream sandwiches, strawberry shortcake cupcakes. Down here is
More pieces.
These are meals. This is enchilada, chicken parmesan. These are spinach and cheese pretzel melts, mozzarella melt, chicken Alfredo.
Very, very, very cool. There's desserts.
Pancakes.
Yeah. All right, so you basically see all of this. This is what you get for 1 month's supply. And she's going to try it out. And I'll put a link below where you can get this directly. Or you might have a flyer, or you might just go on Nutrisystem's website. Either or is fine. But I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And we read real carefully here. This is what all that's in it. All right. Again, $2.29 plus taxes, how much it is in shipping.